Hi, I'm Caroline Wilson, National Agricultural Sales Manager for Fireward, and we're here today to have a look at an automatic fire suppression system on a McHale V6 740 ground baler. So the system, as we've got here, we've got the automatic detection tube, which is pneumatic. It's pressurised to 25 bar. That's clearly labelled around the side of the baler with the yellow stickers, so it identifies that's the detection tube and not to be damaged. That feeds into two cylinders on this machine. We've got the dry powder cylinder at the front and the wet agent at the back. The dual agent system has twofold effect, so the dry powder suppresses the fire and the wet agent takes the heat out. You can clearly see the dry powder cylinder at the front. It has two hoses that take the material away from the cylinder to ensure that the cylinder empties quickly to stop the fire as soon as possible. The wet agent just has a single hose from it. The wet agent deploys at a slower rate to take the heat out. If we move back to the baler, we can have a look and we can clearly see where the detection tube is marked around here with all the yellow stickers. And then, as I've said, the hoses that are delivering the chemicals from the cylinders. The wet agent is marked with the blue nozzles, so they're aimed at the chains here to take the heat out of the chains, the bearings, any hot areas down here. The dry powder is marked with the red nozzles and they're to stop the fire if we have a fire that starts. On this baler, just in front of the cylinders, we've fitted a manual actuator, so if anybody is on the ground clearing away debris from the side of the baler and sees anything happening, they do have the ability to set the system off manually. As I say, the system is automatic, and on this baler we're protecting both sides with the chains, the belts, the bearings.